Alright, what up YouTube? Back today with another video on the wheel hub on a Avalanche, second generation 2011. So we gotta take the brake rotor off and we're gonna get everything removed so we can get everything in place to put the new ones on. So give me a second, we're gonna get all this stuff out the way so we can get everything going. Hang tight and you'll see where we're at and get everything going. All right, we got the caliper bolts loose. Got everything compressed. We're gonna put that right there out the way. Also too, you can get that caliper spread tool that I got in my Amazon affiliate store, and you get this nice little cool attachment right there that goes with the set. And just hang it over there so you're not putting a strain on your cable itself. So now that you got that hung, you're gonna get your 18 millimeter, put it back here, loosen that up, take that off. Both screws there, there, and there. And then we'll get this off. I'm gonna cut you back on and let you see what it look like. And then we'll go from there. All right, now we got the screws loose. Pulling them out. Put them to the side. Whatever side that's convenient for you. Put that down right there. Then take this rotor off. And now we can see the hub. So as you can see, we got 3 bolts back here we got to take off. There, there, and over there. Let me show you the new hubs. So these are your new ones. Detroit axle. And these are going to be the ones we're going to install. As you see, I'm just going to go in place of these. So hang out, you'll see these gone. And you see they come with the new ABS cables as well. I'm going to put those on. And it's going to go on as if those were going to be on in place of it. All right, so now we got all of this disconnected and the last bolt loose. Unless you live in a rust belt, this thing will be very difficult to come out. So now, as you can see, it already started coming loose. All 3 bolts are loose. We just wiggle this a little bit. The dust shield is gonna fall off with it just like that. And it's off. And remember the orientation of this, right? That little piece is gonna be to the front. So, move the stuff out the way. Take the dust shield off. Because you're gonna recycle the dust shield, we're gonna put it back on. So take time right now. Take everything, inspect everything, clean what off. You need to clean off. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, whatever you need to make sure there's not in there. Off. And then now you're gonna get this out. A little difficult with one hand, but hey, getting used to doing a lot of stuff with one hand as of lately. So get all this stuff off of there. Pull that out. And then remember your orientation. Untie all of this stuff. I'm glad they tie this stuff up, but I hate how they tie it up, if you know what I mean. So remember, everything's gonna run back through that dust shield the way it came out. So be Get your dust shield line back up. Or should I say orientated? So I'm gonna have to use both hands to get this stuff lined back up, and I'm gonna cut you back on once I get everything good to go. At least one bolt to hold it, and kind of show you what it looks like. All right. Okay, now we can torque everything back down, and that's what it looks like back up. So now we're gonna start tightening all the bolts, all of the bolts. Bolts, yes, bolts, because y'all got a little offended one time I said screws, but you know what I meant. Y'all just want to nitpick and everything. That's cool. You know, poke a little fun there now and again. But hey, some of us been doing it a day or two. We know better. But when you're in the heat of the moment, you're trying to get done. Yeah, we say first thing that comes to mind. But hey, you know how I do it. I hand screw to make sure it's not cross thread first. And once I do that, then I start working on the bolts. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'm gonna turn you back on. All right, we got everything tightened up. Good to go, torque down. We got the rotor back on. All right, now we got the bracket to put back on. But this is as far as we're gonna go today, because we're gonna put new brake pads on. And we're gonna close it out here. So continue to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions about any tools you've seen so far, please check out my Amazon affiliate store and the link in the description. And continue, as always, like, share, subscribe, and comment. As always, if you broke it, I can fix it. Peace.